My vinyl siding videos have gained hundreds of thousands of views. Do you have damaged vinyl siding with holes like this? Homeowners need an easy, quick way to fix that. It's almost impossible to find the matching brand and color. Introduce vinyl siding patches. Now, vinyl patches are the same material used on car wraps. They are completely waterproof and resistant to heat and cold. Remember to prep the surface by removing any damaged sharp edges. You don't want anything protruding. Rub your finger across it, make sure nothing is sticking out. Clean the area with any kind of a wipe. There's going to be dirt and debris on there. And then the siding patch can literally be cut to size. Now, if your particular patch doesn't have back printing, I'll tell you it's the duller off-color white side. That's the side that will be painted. You can paint it first and then apply it. I prefer to apply it first and then paint it to match. Now, as you smooth out the edges and you come in, you can use your fingernails and they'll try to transfer the natural wood grain of the vinyl siding, if you have that simulated wood grain, into the final product. For color matches, it's your preference on how picky you want to get. I like the Rust-Oleum brand, but you can use any exterior spray paint. The overspray will naturally kind of blend in your patch. What if you have a dark tan or almost brown? See my fingernail as I'm pushing into that, the wood grain is transferring through. You can put a filler first if you want to fill that hole, but in most cases vinyl siding needs to expand and contract and be able to slip left and right without being stuck to the underneath sheathing. Okay, maybe you have gray vinyl siding patch. Here I am pulling off the vinyl patch. Remember to clean off the area first and no sharp edges around the cracks. Apply the vinyl patch, smooth down the edges, and then you'll see me with my fingertips pushing it into the grain so you get that finished tight look to the siding. And onto the spray paint, this is a light gray. Of course, the original siding has faded over time. Blend it in as you see fit. I tell you, in the real world, it looks pretty good. The match is good, but on camera, the colors look a little funny sometimes. Now, if you're lucky enough to have white vinyl siding or a white vinyl fence with cracks in it, you are good to go. The vinyl patches will stick over the crack, last for years to come, no color modification. What if you have a light green siding? Remember, no sharp edges. Use a tool like tin snips to remove sharp edges or bend them in with pliers or a screwdriver. You don't want anything protruding. Clean the area. Apply the siding patch. Get all those grooves filled in. Now, of all the color matches, I knew green was going to be one of the most difficult. I have a spray paint that's too light. I have a spray paint that's too dark. So we're going to try to blend them and see if we can get a color match or anywhere close. I will tell you, viewers ask about this. This is effectively sealing out bugs, water, and drafts. So it's still a great vinyl siding patch. It will seal up that hole for years to come. Okay, we're going to start with the light one. Okay, now we have the dark one. Let's see if I'm talented with my art skills and can blend the two. Spoiler, I have no art skills whatsoever. I knew the green was going to be almost impossible. Your alternative is finding the exact piece of siding, which you probably won't be able to do. Let me know if you've tried the vinyl siding patches yet. What kind of color are you dealing with? Are you having difficulty matching the color, or it's still better than a big old hole in the side of your house? Let me know in the comments down below if you've done this patch and it's working well for you. Hey guys, I know you could do it yourself. Vinyl siding patches. We'll see you next week.